HYNNIEWTREP Youth Council in a press conference on 9th November 2021 had demanded from the government the change of name of the newly created district Eastern West Khasi Hills into some other name that would suit the region and also satisfy the public at large. Speaking to the media, the member of the HYC Northwest Khasi Hills District, ABELJUN NONGRANG, said that the organization and the public appreciate and welcome the carving of a new district for MAIRANG. Yet, the organization is opposed to the naming of the district as Eastern West Khasi Hills since it does not match the cardinal points of direction. Informing the media on the suggestions made by the HYC to the two local MLAs, METBAH LYNGDOH of MAIRANG and NONGSIEJ of MAWTHADRAISHAN constituencies, the member of the organization said that no response has come from their end. However, there is still time for the government to re-christen the district into a suitable name like Central Khasi Hills or Northwest Khasi Hills, ABELJUN NONGRANG added.
On behalf of our new district that we are just getting now, we are appreciate our local MLAs that they have doing a great job to get this district, a new district. But we, from the group, from the HYC group, we came here not to oppose anybody here, and not even to reject this district. We are welcome the district with a warm heart. So, but the thing that we are come here, if you look the name of the district, we have seen that given this name to Eastern West Khasi district, which is not suitable according to the compass of the whole universe that we are, especially in Meghalaya. If we name in any district, we used to look through the compass in every state. So especially in this our district, if you look, through from NONGSIEJ to Shillong, is it became the central of Khasi district. Instead of giving this Eastern West Khasi, we can give this as Central Khasi district. Or either if you want to include this district as a west in between the name of district, we can give this district as a Northwest Khasi district. But we don't know why this our MLAs give this name, because I have one member has spoke this about the district before there was name, before the district was getting a full district. We have talked with the MLAs, local MLAs about the name of the district, that the district should be given in such a proper way that we all the people will be happy with the name of district. Because now we are happy, we are joy, we are appreciate them of getting this new district, but only the name of the district, which is found, we feel like it's not suitable according to the local area, according to the state where the present area the district was located. So only these few words I want to say to our government, that if they can change the name of district, any name we are welcome, but in such a name that we will feel happy and we feel proud that our new district should be in such a name.